pulling it out flat and getting a little roll of paint. And hopefully, let's make some mountains. Let's go somewhere about here. Just using the outline really, for the outline. So you can really press this in the canvas. A bit more paint. Let's have him a bit higher there. That's nice. Okay, now I've got that paint on there, really trying to get that in the canvas. I've learnt that you don't need a lot of paint. I used to plaster the paint on these. Right, okay, so now we've got that. Okay, now, using a small brush, when you're doing this you can plan out your mountains as well, where they're going to be. Hopefully we're going to put some, right, let's just, now I'm just creating some mist, just by tapping you can create that nice mist, no matter what size brush, and then lightly lift up. Right, so I've just got some white on there. I'm quite lucky because I'm pulling it out flat, cut across, little roll of paint. Right, this is a bit, okay. This is where you got to be. I can't wait to mask this properly, but we just want some snow on there. I want it to break like that. That's cool. Okay, let's go up here, light touch, and bring it round. Sorry if I'm in the way. Oh, that's annoying, my shoulder is in the way. It's one of the most enjoyable things actually, is doing these mountains and learning how much paint to put on. I'm still learning this process, but I'm finding it fun. You can make the mountains as well, whatever shape you want. Let's go up here. It helps. It doesn't help when you've got a bit of a shaky hand either. But they're looking kind of cool. I like the brown background. Let's have this one joining. It comes right down in front there. Okay, I can come down that way. So I think that's enough white there for what I want. Let's make a shadow colour. So a little bit of this white. Only need a little bit. Trying to keep up with the comments, guys. Lovely, I'll have to keep that in mind. No good view, it's looking good. I can't help putting thick. What, on there? Oh, like the texture, yeah, it's very, very, I think the more patches for this, the better. You know, I'm just gonna put a little bit of white in there. I want that sort of line to look like it's coming right the way, joining up, and I think it does. So, okay, and I'm going to use the other end of the knife and just fill this little bit in here, because I want it. And you've got to have a steady hand, which is not always easy. Just any little bits that you think, there we go. But yeah, it's getting that break in the snow, but every mountain is different, it really is. Every mountain is so different. Right, let's make up a little shadow colour and put some shadows on. Tiniest bit of phthalo blue. I don't want a lot of shadow in this. I think just a little bit dark, a little bit darker. That's so strong, that blue. See what that's like. Maybe even a little bit darker. This music makes me so relaxed as well. Okay, so I've got some blue knocked up there. A little roll of paint. Actually, I might use... I'll try it with this. So we can just put some here. Some there. And I want a little bit in there. I need one of them things, you know, to... I don't want a lot. I've come quite further down than what I wanted to there. Might be able to just scrape that bit off. I did want to keep that sort of, you know. Thank you so much to everyone that's following, tapping the screen, sending me gifts. Really appreciate it. Okay. Now just a little bit over here. Pull some of that white down with this one, hopefully. Just have a bit of a mix there. There. There we go. Yeah, it's amazing really, because it's such a different colour. The blue's such a different colour, but you know, it plays with the mind because you know it's white still. So again, just creating some mist at the bottom there, just misting it out. That mist is so